And on this day we bring you Kawasem. Abusuafo. And I no pay ye shemwa. Ghana kuafo ni bi ekeka mebi su. Na anopai abrante ba kwa ni video trend pa. One day okoko fomo. Na okoko fomo no. The brofo ba kwa is say trend pa yaw. You can't why dare you.
Hi.
Yagas yentie no. Abrante de raw.
Oh, mudu kwedi sika kikiri na mo ayade koko mudu kwedi sika kikiri die sika kikiri die mudu koko kwedi why dare you me ame brano obredi nyame why dare you Ade 200 Ghana cedis anuru mudu tu koko mu mo trateme me kwaka mo trateme mo macheme mo nkume ya mo pano mo nya ya bre okiafo ya bre eyam
Sabo biu
na mo ayade koko mudi kwedi sika kikiri die mudi koko kwedi why dare you me ame brano obredi nyame why dare you Ade 200 Ghana cedis anuru mudu tu koko mu mo trateme me kwaka mo trateme mo macheme mo nkume ya mo pano mo nya ya bre okiafo ya bre eyam na mo ayade
na papa ba ko so say osre ato force Omie Foundation
Sompa FM
papa no na ni nye na ato force Omie Foundation na 128.75 no onfa koko bi obeti bi ode mema no na ode mano a obesa ato force hu se ono obe survive yentie no
128. I'm asking Mr. Dr.
Papa
to forcing
or a visual
set up a
visually impaired
to Austin Foundation, and I will donate 128 cedis, 35 pesos to him for every bag of cocoa that I'll harvest this year, so that I'll let him know that without his 128 cedis, 75 pesos, I will survive. I'm asking Mr. Dr. to forcing, you should set up a foundation, a to Austin Foundation, and I will donate 128 cedis, 35 pesos to him for every bag of cocoa that I'll harvest this year, so that I'll let him know that without his 128 cedis, 75 pesos, I will survive.
Okay. Asemi nyina ko wie se akuafo na koma te. Kwani bia koma te. Che koko akuafo no ene akrachefo no mtokoko no. Because any journey I was a power on the call polls 2024 December 7th. Enya no bina omanya no. Ebiura ho papa. Ebibu afu, why dare you? Yaw. Why dare you?
Why dare you? Also ono awobre. Tam koko e de kwaji sika twitwi di. Na ye was out.
Onim say wo calculate ya ho. 128 no. What the 33,001 no to wa. It's almost about 4.62% per day the car.
Yes.
4.62% and the car the previous amount no. It's about 63% now all cow yaw. Ghana how to so big carry cocoa so carry thunder.
David.
Back.
Yeah, you are counting no. Me
10 bags.
10 bags.
Me 50 bags.
50 bags.
Say 16 bag a ton crowd or me 20 bags. On ka say me 1 ton.
David. Na ton no crowd why nim. Nya until recently any nim set ton no. 16 bags and a ton.
Yeah, ni man back.
Mono cocoa board for no ton e di free
Ton a bag. And I buy no air kasa o simpie so no one ka say. Cocoa no a bag say a cocoa bag no a jama so 10,000.
Yes.
And no a calculation who say cocoa bag 10,000. Nanado no a 98.
Yes.
Otia 31.
Yes.
The 31 da ho. O say say manya kura no e was some more 6,000
na na do sisi wo mo sabre na na ye ton cocoa no
9,800 no
98
million no
o se na na do sisi wo mo
omo 3,001 e was say ka mo de manya hwe kura no o say mutumi ma omo 6,000
60 million
say I do 10,200 Ghana be that so
mo de mutira ye 2 million ba be ka mo de no ho ama na be 100 million
100 million na 100 million no kura no 2 million e sa be toss no masa 68 Ghana cedis free 72 Ghana cedis
we credit akwata se coins 0.741 no why 71 Ghana
why 71 Ghana cedis free 200 na be toss no asa free kwa afford de no so and I would 128 na ama wo mo eti nanado from 13,000 to 3,001 anywhere from 3,001 to 3,228 no why na Boakye for
and akwata
you see some fertilizer juice a bottle no minority see bottle no ma to agu ha broso enti mo to bottle mu bia o ma se mo kan no
ya be ya mo na ma ye hu se cocoa board for consensus contract rough wu wonom etuto bottle ne ade wa bra no mu hia enti nyame adom bottle mu obebere gu
enti na wo se mo be supply bottle enti mu ni bottle
fufuro bia egu honom a mo se abanda da no to
in excess
so ana mo mfa nya hwe
te se ho abehia
muntimi nte sa bottle no sika ne
mfam cocoa sika ni
mu obebere gu ho
I want to think say me ma fertilizer intimate free yes because the moment I because I buying ma fertilizer free
intimate free cocoa
yeah ma insecticide free say is that the reason why and want to one and you know what time and me ka say free
na quotas fertilizer be na 10 million fertilizer be and no mo koto no 10 million ne 20 million ne 30 million fertilizer o me hu any we decide no mo de pete o ma mo de he no mo to no 30 million ne 20 million say so de ma no
e tell me modro
why dare you papa akote obebire o the pie na mpie ye papa ya water foundation ama atofo
foundation
bebire wo afichira omo ebi kura be komkrede bi kura brunua but omo de na ye hu ye and say why ye kuada atofo se ne na yirande na me nyam nwanwan krani a ono hu koko da yesi nko koko so no na nhye bo mfama dipa na ono no dua koko ono na wo hu koko da no akota ono ne yesi won ko koko so now
this is describing the pain of the farmer say obi fi say otenkran na onimu a
yes
papa no on say abrante no kasa no koko dua no ne refi say
young man o
another young man
ne refi kra so ne nsa no de boko dua no betime pra
hwe odene se pok to se ode ti
sikakikiri mu di koko kwedi why dare you me and me brano me and me brano why dare you Sompa Ade 200 Ghana cedis anuru we dey to koko mu mo tete me kwa ka mo tete me mo meche me mo nkume ya mo pa no mo nya ya bere okay for na bere na mo ya de
na
koko mu di kwedi sika
am say ni pass o me man 1 billion
o so o mu di koko kwedi
for so mo nto
koko galam say for no
because when cocoa was 13,000 something
200 Ghana cedis
people started selling their plants, their cocoa.
Oh yeah.
And another who you know here day. O pejemu. Ape omo no mo atom cocoa kra no. No man no.
It's true.
Ebi mu kra de nkrofo sika koma omo se onya nton. Because ape the cocoa no emu abanyam. Eti people ebi de niente that year na cocoa about for they were able to make 750,000 tons.
Yes.
God am for Emma many break gugu omo cocoa so ni ade. God na bu abam. The expectation of every farmer.
Yeah.
Kuyani bianu when no betima ka say oh NDC for ya there. O ma pere jo mama ya there watu cocoa. Debbie. The expectation was at least 4,000. At least.
Oh yeah.
The government said he would give 6,000. But then Kuyafo him say 6,000 of
Anansesem ne politics.
Oh, me want to make consider. Future impossible tense.
Yes.
future impossible time. C'est impossible.
Ce n'est pas payé.
Ce n'est pas un masoué. Ce n'est pas mal. Et tu vois, on imagine say, Anya Sheno, Omunim say, I buy between 4,000. What if for 900 Ghana account music? Most of them revert back to Kokobo. Now you are coming to give explanation. Say Kokobo the car. Now, Bibo, minority new Cocoa board was Egu, and yet you were promising them juicy things.
No, bien nim Cocoa.
Who didn't know say Abraham Edu? There be a bonus so boy say Cocoa board they say.
Oh yeah.
Now you go there. Okay, Omanhene your mama wa bontene. Say no him say Ghana they must say. But oba you know. Or see. I feel quite a bit who say, and near one can say pa. And Tianuntino statutory payments no wajai. Yeah, wajai. Ontia common fund bear 6 and 2 tranches.
What ya?
Ontia even assembly members.
Well, was or the Oman can't get you.
One promising and Kualani said this year, memo stress free.
Yes, yes.
Omo mutia school fees ontia.
What ya?
Nurses for 6 months. No buy no.
Now you are teacher trainees. Any idea?
Me see nurses. No buy 6 months. What better than we 3 months. Ana eka eda homa national service. Ya raise it over 1,000. Onjai. It's other no the enkonka say. Me buy any yinti no. Oba initially no nyan trans oko bargaining for 10% increment. Ekwa 40 as say animu no mo de amano. Ejuma 40 as he is making payments. Yes. It's just forcing was able to tell Ghanaians say we are paying in the right direction. Get funds also mutia omatia. They've made payment national health insurance omutia over 350 million. So omatia we nyina omanka say e kada honti. Now we are to forcing. Wow, jira simple so ye dede no. Umbom na we chairman of the pricing committee. We can we kire omo. Ekuafo. Next time assemble na we can Ghana hanoma. Ghana ni bi. Awo ye kua ni beti wo ato force wanu masem. Wo
ato force yin susu na manfo e count amongst nipa dachi obetima lead the party no. And say
what do you want?
That's no.
They are not even blaming His Excellency John Mahama.
Debi. Na ya to force na ko gina ebegina yi ahafo no.
Yes, the party has say video no. Was it that no man ni ye krakra. O sabe wie no nim de osaka e. Was it ba omiane na Akufo-Addo de sika na so muboto.
Yes.
Etukuani no ehu ba omia picture house. Wonu wadi misika no. E na me kire pa.
It say one this Ghana say no botom.
Ya to force. Mo. And I guess Omanhene your mama. Yet ya to force.
Abane ndini ye kra. Koko farmers awo Ghana ha. Abane yo to the wanyi wona ndini ye kra. Abane yo to the we sisimu bebre. Abane wa fa mu sika bebre. The da me pena me kan yi de. Koko no mono. Koko bag biala abane boton. Oboton wa bochi. Oya sika 9,800. Oya Ghana sika da no mu 98 million Ghana cedis. One bag. There's a 98 million cedis. Ghana is a share of cocoa board in there. Oya ban oche de miska mi mu abasa. So che ma abasa. No wa fakul. No the cocoa farmer no wa ma na ebie. Then when my bunny ought to be only the West Italy. Oh no, I'm a being no one of cocoa farmer. The way it's cocoa about the BLA or the water and quite that ban on a cocoa farmer 65 million Ghana cedis. 65 million Ghana cedis. Instead of my 65 million Ghana citizens, I buy one of cocoa farmer or that 30 million. And that's extra 3,000 Ghana cedis. Who 65 and one more 30 million? A better you in there. Abani do in there. Usika MPP Abani Wafa. Oh yeah, bag Biala what 20 bia. Usika 35 million. We got the president Akufo-Addo.
It is a Siano Sika saying NDC Abayafa. She said 100 million. Sika saying NDC Abayafa.
Oh, see, I continue. Okay, Kabo Monono 65.
Or see, I buy now for 35 million. Say Cocoa board there 35. Nanka 35 million. The account 30 million. What the amount? Kenny was 65. It is see, 100 million. Now I say Abaya for Akuafo 37 million.
37 million. E wa to force won.
Ato force asem o kan.
So na aye calculation ya maye.
Tukwani bia nko ato force won 37 million won ho.
And akota ye man the calculation ya wa ye eye no kre say ono no ye osaso ye board member of Cocoa Board. Un say automatically so obeye deputy finance minister, or ye board member of Cocoa Board.
Officially you become
obeye deputy agric minister. Obey automatic board member of Cocoa Board. So obey deputy trade minister. Obey automatic board member of Cocoa Board. It will no jina we ya. No yes our calculation no. Na onim die na oka. Because Cocoa Board no. Watena so pain.
Mfie 9. No deputy finance minister.
It onim die koso ho bia. Onim die koso ho bia. Enti asema working. No kretro do and working. They say Akuafo 37 million. Ewa ato forcing ho.
Isi akwaso do finance minister Ghana scan on the
on the hustle. Iti oyama mo de easy kura.
Akuafo no gwaji o 37 million.
Papa ya wo ye why dare you? Why dare you papa?
Onya why dare you no.
Onya why dare you?
No ankopra.
No akopra. On ato forcing ho. Nkrai. No nko
because say 35 million no.
Yes.
Ewo Danado ene Baumia Butum. Oma wie Akuafo 35 and he was specific Oma wie.
Yes.
It have to force we are 37 million.
Nto omunko Jimfree no.
Eh ato.
Sa no pese.
Say na ye kan ato no. Oh Chairman Pro.
Ato.
Eh na kan Afenyo market. Chairman Pro. You see you can do all the noise and the propaganda on a political platform. The reality will catch up with you.
Media makam si ato force.
Me si Ghana Akuafo akomete. Asiwobo.
Akunta.
Oh, why dare you?
Akunta, why dare you papa yi? Na brabo no o de atu TV ni so am ya.
Yes, am now kan. Just say.
We na o de bo ne yira kohoma. Koko na odo ne fo na ogina mu no. Eno anu oyo no de abo ne yira kohoma. Eno anu oyo no de ahwenema school. Ti o mu school fees. Ahwe o ma tontade e de amom akunta adwuma wei eno ye no de tua ne light bill ya tutum na ano yo. Adwuma wei koko na odo no a eno oye eno de atua ne water bill. Eno no oye no de afaka. Eno no oye ne se bia ne maame eyare a ana bibi sifie a odibi akọ ne livelihood nyina na ogina mu a.
And you see the pain is it say ya wo work krase.
Yes.
Na yasoa wo niema. Na yesi ye ko onyina yase he ya.
Yes.
Na kwala no de ahoɔden nyina de last hour.
Aguso de
akoduro onyina na se na ne maame aka kire ne say oh aka kwansiri baako.
Okuno.
Ofiri sa ho ne kɔ no. Obetima wu. Echen the length and the long distance no kra I be a 30 minutes no aduro.
It's true.
But 2 hours no try no. 30 minutes no do change 2 hours. And no nom dey Akuafo.
O ma brabo nyina.
Be se bia babosia.
Yes.
Ebia babosia dey aye niam bi come the anticipation is afi obenya 30 bags of cocoa.
Oh yes. Now
it was the calculation say 900 by 30. Oh, me two man. Obu okwa akoye ga bi like.
Oh, akunta.
Ye ntama koto tontoma de akoware a new wife.
Wa kodi bibia no kra to wa kodi asase bia no.
Atia de kakra to so.
Mo de bia to ase se wati koko no.
Asa omo de nkofo life would dey grow.
Yes.
Maybe wo atofo wo ka we wakoda o. Waka we akoda wa relax around the abesu na radio station. And what church and near you go explain tire.
Na me brand ya be me blame no. Na dey
Azanti akwaba.
Ye dey ball man so omo hweso dey no my na koko.
Minority.
Akuta me dey my expect.
Minority say koko.
Long ne brofo tinti.
Minority on the food agriculture cocoa affairs committee. Womo say new cocoa producer price na Sakawa masa yati mu fa ba se mu nyira nchen. One him say we nya din na mo beto Akuafo no womo kan Sakawa. Well you can describe it as Sakawa. By any Sakawa 70 acre. One say, Abiding provided a detailed account of all funds generated from cocoa sales during 2024-2025 crop season. Because Omufi said, Randy, and some of the cocoa board near my omo a postino, and yes, sanity. Into Omo say, Abino, a year cocoa board, Emfa. Cocoa sales during 2024-2025 crop season in Amigu Abontin, na Ghana for unche. Yente minority.
You agree with me that our hard-working cocoa farmers deserve better than this Sakawa price of 3,228.7. NDC government has told Ghanaians that Cocoa Board is insolvent. Cocoa Board is broke. Cocoa Board is a collapsed industry. What they have failed to tell Ghanaians is how much revenue Cocoa Board had generated from cocoa sales in the 2024-25 season. Is that amount in excess of 3 billion? And at the time, the exchange rate was 15 Ghana cedis to $1. So we are talking about revenue in excess of 45 billion. If Cocoa Board is broke, then you have to do your things as an institution which is broke. But today, what are we hearing? Cocoa Board is transferring almost everybody. Everybody who is deemed as an NPP sympathizer is transferred immediately. So we want to find out from them how much they have paid as transfer grant alone. If the cocoa industry is collapsing, what is the NDC government doing?
Okay. Yahweh. Yeah, now we can say, Grandi Abe, who came in a fisherman for Mammy Cancho. Dear now cocoa, yet it's in Kukwasi. Odo cocoa, I saw Timothy 200 bucks. Abraham Edu, Wogu Cocoa Board.
Now, what the Samuel Nokra, who's it now Greek minister? No, Zuki.
A Greek minister did
a doctor, who's a free akutu.
A free akutu, Oya Kwenike, Oya agronomist, Anna, the deputy. Ofi Manso, Ogunde. It's not they were a Greek people. And then they see Cocoa Board. It is sometimes it's not about and I need to know a military person.
Where?
Military.
No, soldier.
And so at least, of course, soldier. You how what's in the year, Juma? I don't go for a medical doctor.
Yes.
Doctor, and know a medical doctor.
Yes.
Ghana Hanum, you can road, sir. The PI, Canani.
It's true. It's true.
Yeah, what's your mission? Hey, about your prowess, anyhow diligent you are. As I'm taking fat salaries here, Dima or money a day. Fine. It will be on my budget for salary. But a Juma Bayano. I don't know Ghana for near break at the sense. So, see a Tianica 1.2 billion. You will hear Johnson by
yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Tiana. And to say go for Bonabasso say at least $1 pager. So as I'm saying about the money, as I'm say a bit you will be KE. See you be on now. Who call that jurisdiction? You treat yes, you will be $200,000 a month.
Oh yes.
But company not pageanting. They are even thinking of adjusting the salary.
Who could to me here? The person can say. The moment now, among for behas and Ewo cocoa in 7. Some of them might be called conditions of staff over there. But when the sector is not having the issue, and then my air corner come on, unit said will be a cut. Oh, by cocoa buying is young, or my echo better to say 37 corner. Go up your phone by conditions of someone. That is my point. And maybe me can I say, Nanado, Tama Obunumaya, Nanya Maya Kosu Fitiasia, Nani be. Wamamuno, we are going to the moment an Emma has a quite open up, and then maybe a periphery, like we are saying now, people's attention go on that. The son of person, Mitch, but yeah, no Cocoa Board.
No,
may say, either said the person there, yeah,
it's not functioning.
The moment in a say, yeah, so I say, no. Sir, percentage now are buying at 30%. It's some of them go into the remunerations of the staff of the Cocoa Board. Some boy
30 million.
30
million and also buy the company.
30%, you know. Some of them go there. Plus, Anyama incentives or that.
The Cocoa Board for Omanhene Yaw and I buy it to
what's the
Cocoa Board staff?
Minim say a cocoa process to be called.
No. Process no call for ABI near maybe also more. But I say staff of Cocoa Board. ɛyɛ cocoa board tua ka na aban
bet you make aban
aban na tua omoka
aban tua omoka it also boils down to the commit nyama efiri oba
teme
enti no Bank of Ghana
Asante railways wouldn't say our staff who are bind us to Omoka.
Train a good.
Railways in we.
Train it to the bay.
It is a bunch of dear child go back to Omoka.
You call empata.
Asante. Asante. The best I'm trying to say. Ghana bauxite. Yahweh Musu Asem. Ghana Petroleum Hub. You see that back. Yati Ghana Petroleum. You will see you. And you honor Ababa Waya MFA Pau.
So a PRO.
Onye PRO.
Or Casaja de Dano Crazy or Petroleum Hub.
Ghana bauxite and wine. And now say a former MP.
A Ghana bauxite company.
Ghana integrated
aluminium. Yeti
board.
What is here? Yanani aluminium
bar. But recently, almost pursue profit. We story.
Aluminium no way.
Any bauxite don't tune the bay of cotton.
Yati sa company no me boa. Yetu omuka.
And now
minim lawyer ba go kra no ye board member. The person trying to say it has there's no physical strike. Asante in this life. Asante in this life. Ketapot. You see you na you want kesani etu omuka. Share Asante. In this life the vanquish will always win.
Oh yes.
As long as an ho be kire no obi mu no obey dede. Ghana ye sigma e wa ha no. It was also in another moments enko yaman for static aside. People will talk. But the issue is it is not about remuneration. It is not about security. It is about the incompetence or the inefficiencies. She obi ohonoma na make you Bank of Ghana governor Yama. Sika na de sen agye no ebia de ba no
we
kra no ye pagya mu no ade se o fie na retire salary ni ye de baba no yes
Bank of Ghana governors are retired
mama ka 7 chel ne say Asante when you are governor of Bank of Ghana you retire on your salary kopim so obewu say 1.2 no 1.2 nyina age
do 4
akwa do 4 oje
they are saying now okay almost say
yeah I be say that as say no man nwene say
retire on your salary
e pay for afarejai ya to yakwete mu ne James Sankatu ma ye to ni diem the only thing is say allowances ne sa ne ma no onya bi Nanado, ye to your mama catchem, ye to the Denia Tokofo, Woman, you know, ye 2 man, I just saw more. Mamma got some job. Ye show more. Ye tell Kaba, ye show more.
Making
equivalent to ministers, no, deputy ministers, and they are paid. And society. Omo pome ka cho say ye tua omoka mo ja say ye ka cho say tua o ka say ye do to salary so wo mo de na table so allowance in the form of allowance Asante dia ko wie ni say Ghana ha wo mo ewo esoro no ya hihye say obedi da ko wom
IGP fo nyina retirement
chief justice high court judges they retire their salaries.
Na okay dadan ayina chesa
de hina
constitutional reviews ani mani
ebeba na mo ni di ansa
enra na say enemy 3 days
free kumase o be wie na ba 2 years aba
consultative ade
ma enema bi be saba mo o sisi ani didi kakra ka sisi ani
o mampanyi ma mo yes accountability series
ai
o mama ne nko CEOs no so enye minister so yes
I be the Asante ya agene the CEOs to come and account
my wife say obo say ya ebeda wo sa na di best
4 years time no ma be ka say yes rot
we say no
accountability forum no so shouldn't be say me predecessor me buy wanye we ja me ka we to ho no mo CEOs ne ba omo ma che say me ye gi hok CEO me to apetese this month apetese say ne ye di ko dwa so
na majuri nie me vision nie they don't tell us that ministers ibebre na say Sam George you obey
yes
and then they say say extra 7 extra obedum DSTV
ye hwe nanim
so 7 obedum DSTV
Yeah, when
now be bibi ama Ghana. Ghana for no. DSTV no ye complaining. But how me can say what my DSTV? DSTV I reply say the all can is untenable.
Yeah.
Oma be catch and say
legally or legal issues.
It's untenable.
Yes.
And you are power no.
On a turn Ade no dey jinable. What I say? Ade no unyes kana on time.
Ebufo ni nyina ne say Sam George say was say.
But many
10 point. Aban no say dollar ne da no. Omo no omo hu ni say e fluke. I know the old DSTV. You can't say that to the government of Ghana. Yes. It's absolute bonkums. It's absolute bonkums and twaddle.
It's true.
What did he attempt? Aban no adia tido. Aban na de odi eje fansro. Who DSTV boss ka say e fake.
Now would there be a DSTV for some call a Zamrama for no causes and no 13.
The problem, but you can't say that to us. Yo, we are a sovereign. Very good.
Nigeria forces so they took them to court. Oma me threaten say we will shut you down.
Yeah, but make us some down. Asante. DSTV also in another breath was talking about market size. And Sam George did Liberia, Nomne Angola, so the market size is bad.
Yes.
It's also untenable because you don't say Liberia and Nigeria, Angola is Swatini. You are overcharging us. But also, one share I would the team go too much. So I
Sam George, who say MPP for no? The MPP minority so akọ Sam George ho show support Emma Nadia no person.
Oh, and the Ghana maybe support too.
But
no
exuberance.
Any the way of Kasa. Very good. Yow. DSTV for Boakye.
It is
Nigeria is your time. DSTV in Tinko. Yes.
And they're gonna afford them more, bro.
Oh, I did some that kind of. Listen, and you born any not E48
E48.
Me was so Yahweh. Me was so 1 month. Ombe PTC ni bako sao. All movies in kwa DSTV. The omudu yes. EPL.
When Nigeria for you, I'm heard the same thing.
EPL. Nigeria wa a channel. Nigeria for one channel. And do this. Ghana for be subscribe to Nigeria channel. For fufu.
In Kumsa,
so Ghana Hanoma
or subscribe to Nigeria premium service.
Yes,
premium only mute also
128 as Ghana premium only mute. Ghana premium
128
Ghana premium went to Ghana 380 as a 400 and see $1 bar from Ghana 380. Premium
and honorable Sam George Ghana for some Tawachi.
Yeah, Tawachi.
The way now will count seven.
Can you platform? Obiano Ghana had more support. Extra so do no be do no.
Nemo mudu ya sa form kokot.
Yes. Said they are overcharging us. Minority is supporting them.
Minority
communication.
MPP minority.
Our communication. Maybe Tanechi pa. So. Jalo kwa fani ekuyen.
Na me je
Bukeno. Omo the book compact plus premium. Charging omo charge no. Nigeria for way low.
Yes.
Ade. And I can't know too much. I know most CS ABC ne. Ade. Too much.
Yeah.
The only queer no. Omo EPL we be a DSTV view. Me see after EPL why the DSTV. They don't watch anything. Club World Cup we are. Your World Cup no. But no mu queen. Super sponsor for we there we.
From August end of
August baby. And omo you the Premier League is as here. What's the best the pressure Sam George.
Yeah, go there say. Akuta de ku amanfo so amanfo raise concerns you say. Who said DSTV no? Who show one show maintenance.
Unless I will come and be out so you have to write to them and
amanfo so suggest say send you go Nigeria or other countries here. It is a matter credit. Now, as when I may call
pay-per-view.
Pay-per-view. Let's do it like that.
Ghana for Dan say better say 1 month no.
You
now when Tiaso
yes.
2 days no ma bonkaye. Now when Tia over connect 100 also TV has E60. I was going for the sponsor neighbor. There was about
and a particular
time.
Oh.